Hello everyone, my name is Quinn West, and today I'll be going over HyperForget, a boss module. So for each stage of the module, you'll have to look at this hypercube and determine which rotation it is doing, and upon each solve of every other non-ignored module, you'll have to look at its rotation, and based on some calculations, determine which vertex to press at the end of the bomb. This tutorial, however, will not go over how to identify rotations of the hypercube. If you want to learn that, please go to Timwoo's tutorial, which will do the explanation for you. So, in stage 1, the rotation we have here is a WY rotation, it's a YW rotation. So we look at the YW face in this table here. In this case, it's bottom right. So, we need to see what axes that bottom right uses. So right is positive X, Y is negative W, Z we don't know, and W we don't know. So we already know what these two vertices are from the rotation of the cube, and for the remaining two, we need to refer to the serial number. So in the first stage of the module, you would look at the first digit of the serial number, or the first character, of the serial number. For the second stage, you'd look at the second character. The third, you'd look for the third character, and then so on. Once you get past the sixth character, you'd wrap around back to the beginning for the seventh stage. But on this bomb, we only have 4 stages, so we're only going to be looking at the first 4 characters. So, stage 1, we're looking at character 1, which case is a 4. So now, we need to take 4 modulo 4, which is equal to 0, and convert it into a 2-digit binary number. In this case, 0, 0. So, for the remaining 2 axes, we need to assign them either a positive or negative value in reading order. If the axis is a 0, then we'd use a negative. If it's a 1, we'd use a positive. In this case, we have 2 zeros, which means the next 2 vertices are negative, negative. Let's solve another module. Wait for it to rotate. So every solve will change color. Okay, stage 2 is YZ, which in the table is back left. The X is left. The Y we don't know. Or the X is left, which means it's negative. The Y we don't know. The Z is back, which means it's positive. And the W we don't know. Okay, so stage 2, we're going to look at the second character of the serial number. In this case, it's a Sierra. Sierra's alphabetic position is 19. Mod 4 is 3. Converted into binary is 1, 1. So, for each of the 2 unused axes, we'd place either a plus or minus based on it's a 1 or a 0. Because both of these are 1, the 2 unused axes are going to be pluses. And let's solve the next module. Stage 3, turns like red, is ZY. So ZY in this table is zig bottom. So X we don't know, Y is bottom, which is negative, Z we don't know, and W is negative, which is bottom. Or which is zig rather. Okay. Stage 3, we look at the third character of the serial number, which is a 7, mod 4 is 3, converted to binary is 1, 1. If it's a 1, it's a plus, and the second one is a 1, so this is also a plus. And this is the vertex we would press, or the vertex we would press. Stage 4 goes purplish. Okay, this is an XY rotation. So we'd look at back right. Okay, so X is right, which means positive. Y we don't know. Z is back, which is positive. W we don't know. Let's look at the fourth character of the serial number, which is Sierra, which is 19. Mod 4 is 3. Convert to binary is 1, 1. So in order, the Y becomes positive from the 1, and the W becomes positive from the second one. And now, these are the vertices that we have to press in order, of X, Y, Z, and W. So, let's solve the last module. Okay, so when it gets to submission phase, the cube will turn white. So for the first stage, we had positive X, negative Y, negative Z, and negative W, which is this vertex. Stage 2, we have negative X, positive Y, positive Z, positive W. Stage 3, we have positive X, negative Y, positive Z, negative W. And for stage 4, we have positive X, positive Y, positive Z, positive W. And that's HyperForget. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. And thank you for watching.